Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Connexus Credit Union, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. List all your sources of income. Include your salary, side jobs, and any passive income streams. Next, identify your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are consistent each month, such as rent or mortgage. Variable costs change, like dining out or entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, create a budget plan. Set spending limits for each category based on your financial goals. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Open a budget-friendly account with Connexus Credit Union if you haven't yet. This account will help you manage your finances more effectively. Consider using budgeting tools or apps provided by Connexus. These tools can automate tracking and make adjustments easier. Monitor your spending weekly to stay on track. Review your budget monthly to ensure it meets your needs. Adjust your budget as necessary based on any changes in your income or expenses. Set financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation. Long-term goals can be saving for a home or retirement. Consider scheduling regular check-ins with a financial advisor from Connexus. They can help you refine your budgeting skills and reach your financial goals. Finally, celebrate your progress along the way. Recognizing your achievements will motivate you to stick to your budget. Budgeting is a crucial step towards financial stability and security. With these steps, you can create a solid foundation for your financial future. It's never too late to start budgeting effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.